When times get tough with revenue flow, don't just think of ways you can cut down your spending, think of ways you can earn more cash. If you own an Android or iOS device, then why not let technology come to the rescue and start earning from your apps? Bitwalking is a brand new app that lets you earn Bitwalking dollars just from walking. Keep in mind, you need to be the type of individual who does quite a bit of walking in their daily routine for this. You have to walk 10,000 steps for 1 BW dollar. At its launch, Bitwalking mentioned that users can redeem earnings against items they have in their store, or transfer it as cash to your bank account. SlideJoy app doesn't make you money fast, but it does make you real money for basically doing nothing. You sign up, then SlideJoy places ads and news on your lock screen. In return for this, it gives you carrots, which can be exchanged into money via PayPal. You don't get much. 1,000 carrots equals $1, but remember, you're not even doing anything for this money, and in the long term it would maximize your savings. If you're planning on getting fit and healthy this year, then Pact is for you. Pact gets you to sign up to a commitment that you feel achievable, that includes food intake and how often you plan on exercising, then it asks you to pledge an amount you'll pay if you fail these goals. It works by paying people who have achieved their goals. This money will transfer from the people that fail them. Obviously, this app is only going to work for you if you're confident you can reach your goals, otherwise you could end up losing money. With Google Opinion Rewards, you sign up and from then on a survey will appear. Every time you complete the survey, a credit gets added to your Google Play balance, where it can be redeemed across any of their items for sale. Foap is a well-known photo selling app. If you take awesome photos, you can earn $5 per photo. It's really that simple to use, and you upload photos direct from mobile apps such as Instagram, Flickr, and IM. Mobi pays you cash to do mystery shopper tasks, things like checking stock levels and timing how long customer service takes. You look at a map that is on the app and find missions that are nearby. The Mobi team will check the submission and credits you points, which can be exchanged for gift cards, cash, or a choice of rewards. Snapwire is a really cool image-based money app for any semi-pro or professional photographers out there. You start out as an explorer by submitting your photos to Snapwire. And Snapwire will challenge you to earn points. Once you have leveled up, you're able to do paid buyer requests or take direct commission from clients. If you're not interested in the requests and challenges route, you can always use their more conventional marketplace, where Snapwire will hand-curate your best snaps, making them searchable. Mypic can only be downloaded as an app on iPhone, not Android, but you can still access it by using the web interface with your mobile device. This app is quite similar to Foap, but your images can be purchased by other users through the platform and printed on all sorts of things, like mugs, phone covers, and t-shirts. Any items that have been purchased are made and shipped from the UK. Once sold, the image creator gets 20% of the sale price paid into a PayPal account. Clashot is the most popular app on this category. It is, therefore, the best since more people have a chance to view and buy your work. You can earn from 50 cents to $80 for a photo. Just upload your photo to the site and let potential buyers review. Stockimo reputation speaks for itself. Stockimo has paid over $150 million to photographers ever since it was founded. It is simple to use compared to Snapcape. The rules are simple: upload your best photo and allow the administrators to review and process it. When they approve, the photo goes directly into the market. If you want, you can retain your photo's copyright. You will still be able to receive commission once it is purchased. Shutterstock is much more like Stockimo but with added advantages. You can choose to keep a copyright of your photo and still earn up to 30% of its price. The amount of money you earn for each download rises with time. A single photo can also earn you more money depending on its size. Conclusion: these amazing apps could not have come at a better time. They all differ in one way or the other. But they have one thing in common: they are here to add more meaning to mobile photography. They have introduced an easier way to earn revenue with mobile photography. It is also an amazing way to share your photography skills and see what others are doing. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel.